Hello, I'm David, Little Houses Plus Small World Products. Today we're going to talk to you about joining your units together if you've got more than one unit on the back of the house. They're the units that you would have your grey wire coming through the house for your lights and going into the little units here. On here I'm just using the ones that have got switches on, but any of our units would be much the same as this. If you want to join the two together and just use one power pack, you could just have what we call a splitter, and that would just plug into there and here, where you would normally plug your power pack into, and then your power pack would plug into the end here. So you would use one power pack and you could then light two units. If you've got a house and a basement, so you might have these on the house and this on the basement, that means the splitter won't be long enough because it won't reach. So you would then use some round and black wire. And how that works is you would put this end, without these little things, this end into the little black box on this unit, and the same on this unit here. And then we would have two little joiners that we have on our website, and you just clip them onto the wire, take the plastic coating off, push the unit on, clamp it really tight with a pair of pliers, and then you can just have them plugged in like that, and then that will go to either unit. Then if you want to take your house away from the basement to move it or anything like that, you can just unplug them without unwiring everything. I hope you found this useful. All our information is on our website at www.littlehousesplus-shop.co.uk, and if we can be any further assistance, the information on there to contact us as well. Thank you for watching.